Hi everyone, my name is Kushagra Garg and in today's video we are going to explore a cool project that combines Python OCR and machine learning to automate attendance from a photo of an attendance sheet. Where you are into coding or just want to see how technology can simplify everyday tasks, this is going to be really fun. We'll break down the code step by step, so even if you are new to this, don't worry, you'll learn as we go along. And the best part, we'll also work with the graphical user interface where we are using Tinker, so no need to touch the command line. Let's jump right in. Alright, first thing first, we need to make this project user friendly. That's where Tinker comes in. In a Python library for building desktop application, so instead of typing commands, we'll have buttons and menus. Easy to use, right? Here's a quick look at how to set up. Here's a quick look at how to set up the GUI. We've got a window, buttons to select an image, submit it for processing, and display the output. The code is relatively simple to follow. I am talking about this part. This import Tinker and file dialog box to let us choose an image. Now in our GUI, there's a button called select image. When clicked, it calls a function that lets you browse your computer and select a file. Let's break down that function. This is the function. So what happens here is when you click on the select image button, this function opens up a dialog box and you pick your image and boom, we store the path in the image path variable. Now here comes the process image part. So this part is called pre-processing. The next step is to convert the image into a format that is readable by our machine learning model and OCR system. So this function done that part of the code. And here what what's happening. First we load the image using OpenCV, then we convert it to the grayscale. Why grayscale? Well, our goal is to make it easier to detect patterns, lines, and shapes like the border of the cells in our attendance sheet. After that, we apply a thresholding technique to turn the grayscale image into a binary image, basically black and white. The white area represents the text or lines we are interested in, and the black areas are the background. This is the crucial step because when we detect the cells, this binary format will make the detection easier for the OCR and our custom model. Now, as we move along, we see a function detect lines and draw. Detecting the lines in the image, we want to recognize each cell in the attendance sheet, so we need to draw rectangle around each other. This is where we use counter detection. We create kernels to detect vertical and horizontal lines in the image. Erosion and dilation are image processing techniques we use here to highlight these lines. Then we combine both the vertical and horizontal lines to form a grid and find counters, which are the boundaries of each cell. This process allows us to treat each cell in the grid as an individual component, making it easy to extract the data within those cells later. Alright, now we see the PaddleOCR function. So, alright, now that we have the cells, we need to extract the text inside each one. This is where PaddleOCR comes in. PaddleOCR is a powerful open source OCR tool that helps us recognize the text in the image. Let's take a look at how we integrate it. We initialize PaddleOCR and configure it to detect English characters. Let's check out the function where we use this OCR in our cell. So here we are going to use it. The OCR tries to recognize any text in the cell and add it to our data list. If for some reason the OCR doesn't work, we fall back on our machine learning model to make a guess. Now we are going to discuss about machine learning for present absent detection. So here where the things get even more exciting. We are using a convolutional neural network CNN to identify if a cell contains a P or A for present and absent. This is the model. We process the cell image, resize it, and run it through our pre-trained model to determine if the container contains letter P for present. Once we process all the cell and extracted attendance data, we compile it into an Excel sheet. Let's look at the code for this. Here we use Pandas to organize the enrollment number, names and attendance data into a structured data frame, calculate the attendance percentage and export it into an Excel file. So this is our main, as you can see it. In our main function, we pre-process the image, detect lines and draw red rectangles around the cell, save the output image with red boundaries, create output directory for individual cells, save individual cells in the output directory, and then dialog box. This is the dialog box for save file name, and this is the exit function. Now we talk about the GUI part. This is my GUI part, as you can see. So for conclusion, I want to say, and that's it. We built a Python application that automatically reads attendance sheets, recognizes name, marks attendance, and generates Excel report. It's a beautiful blend of OCR, machine learning, and GUI development, all wrapped up in a simple to use tool. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you. Now I am going to run this